This is Lisa with Inspire to Thrive. Today, I wanted to show you how you can use the Instagram Notes feature and where to find it on your desktop. So here we go. I did a test here and it said, have you started to use notes? They show up in the DM area. You can leave a new note. And again, when you can just type it in, it's very short. And then you have a choice, followers you follow back, or close friends. So you have the option of sharing to both or either. It's actually either. Doesn't let you check both. So you have to pick and choose who you want to send your notes to. But I love this feature because it shows right up in the messages. So everyone else that's sending them, look at Neil, he's going on with music. And here's another one. So they go right into your messages, which is a great feature. And they stay up for 24 hours. So it's that fear of missing out, that FOMO, that attracts people to check the messages, to check the notes feature, because they're going to disappear if they don't check them. It's also something that you could see with your business manager as well. So I highly recommend you check out your notes section. It's different than the DM. The DM usually goes to one person or just your list of close friends. But with the notes, you can expand it to your followers. So it gets into their message box at the top as a note, as you saw here. They're top and center. So it's a nice feature to start using on Instagram. I hope you've found this video helpful and see you back on Inspire to Thrive. Thank you.